Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friends, I will share you pinecone crafts ideas. So viewers, let's start today video. We will make some beautiful pinecone crafts. Pincones are natural and very easy to use in crafts. You can collect them from park and garden. They are perfect for home decoration. Let's start with our first idea. Pinecone flowers. Take one pinecone. Next, now paint the tip with bright color like pink, yellow or red. When the paint dry, it looks like a beautiful flower. You can place it in a small bowl or basket for decoration. Pinecone bird. For this pinecone bird, for this craft, take a pincones, add flowers, small paper rings on the side, glue a small bead for the bird head. Now draw two tiny eyes and a big cute pinecone bird is free and friends, pinecone Christmas tree. Take a small pinecone, paint it green, add tiny beads or glitter for decoration. You can also glue a small star on the top. Now you have a mini Christmas tree pinecone wall hanging. So friends, take some pincones and tie them with a string, add wooden beads or small ribbon. Now hang it on the wall on your window. It looks simple and natural. So viewers, I hope you like my video. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates. So we will see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.